everyone and welcome back to my channel name Shubhangi Coding in Magical World. So we're back with another tutorial on mblock. Uh, so in the last video of mblock we did the introduction to mblock, right? But today we will create a game on mblock, okay? And the name of the game will be Which Fly Game, okay? So that's the name of the game, and we're gonna code it in mblock. So let's get started. And you can watch the introduction video also after this video, okay? After seeing this video, I'll just provide the link for the introduction to mblock video in the description box. Now just open mblock.makeblock.com. Okay, and then just you can see this, and here you can see the best coding tools designed for teaching STEM. So Scratch 3.80 and learn Python, robotics programming, learn AI, and data science. So you can do machine learning as well in mblock, okay? But in our channel machine learning course, we do the machine learning course with pictoblocks and teachable machine. So now just you can see this code with Python. So you can just code with Python, else you can select the block based coding editor, and also you can just download the mblock, and I'll just provide the link to download the mblock also in the description box, okay? So here you can here after waiting some minutes you will see this type of interface, okay? And here you can see just my account logo. So see, you need to just sign in, okay? You need to sign in, otherwise your projects will not be saved, okay? So you just need to sign in. So see, I'll see you need to just क्लिक हियर. अगर आपने अब तक साइन इन नहीं किया देन आप इस पर क्लिक करो, आपको ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा साइन इन करने का. तो अगर आपने अकाउंट बना लिया है देन आप साइन इन कर लो, अगर आपने अकाउंट नहीं बनाया देन आप साइन अप कर लो, ओके? यू कैन जस्ट कंटिन्यू इट विद गूगल. तो अब आप लोग इस टाइप के कुछ ब्लॉक्स को देख सकते हो, राइट? आप लोग देख सकते हो ये ब्लॉक्स को, बट वी डोंट नीड देम, ओके? वी डोंट नीड देम. We don't need these blocks, and they are here because we have just there by default and device has been added, so you can just remove it, yeah, delete. So now just come in these sprites, and now let's select in background. So we'll just come in its costumes, and after coming in its costumes, okay. So after that, let's select this one. Okay, not this one. Let's select this color, or wait a second, white. And for this one, this color, okay? So this is looking really nice, right? So now let's add some sprites. First of all, remove the panda. We don't need pandas, right? So now let's search for the witch. You will get these images, but you have to just select one of them. So let's select this witch, okay? You have to select this one, click at OK, and you will just get this sprite in the sprite library only. Okay, so after adding it, you have to add the arrow. Okay, arrow. Click OK. Now after adding the arrow, you have to add the clouds. Okay, clouds. Just search for cloud. You will get this one. Click at OK, and after that add another sprite of bamboo. Okay, this one. Select this one. Now see. So we are done by adding all the the sprites, okay? So now we are going to do the coding for it. So just click at this cross, yeah. So now you can do the coding. So now let's first of all put some code for the witch, okay? So let's put some code for it. ओके, विच को मैं यहाँ पे पुट कर देती हूँ, ठीक है ना। विच को मैं यहाँ पे पुट करने वाली हूँ एंड इसे यहाँ पे पुट कर देती हूँ। तो ये जो विच का स्प्राइट है ना, इसके लिए आप कोड कर देते हैं। तो व्हेन रन क्लिड का एक ब्लॉक लेना है आपको। इसे लेने के बाद अब आप लोग को या अब आप लोग को गो टू वाला ब्लॉक लेना है, ठीक है। और जस्ट वेट एन सेकंड, माय नेटवर्क गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड। ओके, जस्ट वेट। Okay, so after that let's take here and forever, and now let's take here an if block. Okay, if block. So if key up arrow is pressed, let's change the y by 10. Yeah, now just duplicate this. When down arrow minus 10. Okay, minus 10 and put it in the forever block. Okay, and after putting it in the forever block, also put and when run click block again. When run clicked forever. Okay, change y by picking random number between -1 to 1. Okay, -1 to 1. Okay, so after this code, now just come in the arrow. Okay, now let's put some code for it. Yeah. So for it, I'm going to put and when one click block. Yeah, when one click block. Yeah, and after the when one click block, let's put the um hide block. Okay, hide. So when one click hide forever, go to which. Okay, go to which and point towards mouse pointer. Let's put it here. And after this code or C, again taken when run clicked. Okay, when run clicked forever. Okay, forever. Okay, or just take an if block. Okay, so if mouse down, then just show create a clone of myself, and after creating the clone, hide and wait 1 second. Okay, hide, wait 1 second. Okay, after that when I start as a clone, okay, when I start as a clone, just forever, yeah, forever, glide, okay, forever glide 0.5 seconds to mouse.x and the mouse.y. Okay, so after this code, let's put here and again, let's put some code for the cloud. Okay, for the cloud. So for the cloud, just take and when run clicked. So when run clicked, set the ghost effect. We set effect to 50. Okay, 250. After that, forever. Okay, forever. Go to. So now just put the exposition as 240 and the Y position as 0. Okay, the next costume. Okay, but let's see if it's having a costume or not. Yeah, it is. Okay, the next costume, and after that glide 2 seconds. Okay, glide 2 seconds or 2 minus 240 its position and y 0. Okay, and after putting the code for it, now we're gonna finally put the code for the balloon. Okay. Okay. So see, I'm going to just create a variable also. Yeah, create a variable with the name of score. Okay. Now after the score variable or C. So again take here in when run click block. So when run click set the score to 0. Okay, and also take here again in when run click block. After that, this put it as switch costume to A, and after that go to front layer. We go to front layer, and after that go to, let's take here again and go to block, and after this forever, okay, forever glide or Susie. Put it as pick a random number between 03 to 1. Okay, and put it, now just duplicate it. Okay, and this, and in this one just remove this. Okay, and then just put it in the forever. Okay, and after the forever, let's put again and when one click clock. Okay, when run clicked. Okay, forever wait until. Okay, forever wait until touching the light. Okay, touching the uh, touching the arrow. Okay, arrow, and switch the costume. Okay, and wait 0.2 seconds. Okay, wait 0.2 seconds, and after the 0.2 seconds switch the costume. Okay, and after that change color effect by 45. We can put it as 25 also, and change the score by 1. Okay, so let's see how is our game. Yeah, run it. Okay, so अगर मैं yeah, so you can, yeah guys, so आप देख सकते हो हमारा गेम वर्क कर रहा है, and don't forget to tell me how is this game. and आपका होमवर्क है, आपको win and lose condition को add करना होगा इस गेम में. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope you all like the game. If like, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. So bye bye everyone, stay safe, see you soon in the next video.